Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you have the power to control your destiny, the power to create wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Imagine turning a single idea into a fortune worth billions. Picture building something that changes the world while your bank account grows exponentially. This isn't fantasy. This is the reality of billionaires, and today, we're revealing the secrets, mindset, and strategies that separate the world's wealthiest from everyone else. If you're ready to master money, learn from the world's greatest, and start your journey toward financial freedom, hit that subscribe button now and start the video by like. From the very beginning, every billionaire's journey is rooted in vision, ambition, and relentless persistence. Most start small, in a place that seems ordinary or even discouraging. Jeff Bezos began in a small garage, turning an online bookstore into a global empire that sells everything from books to groceries to cloud computing services. He dared to think decades ahead when everyone else only focused on the present. That ability to see far beyond the immediate moment, to imagine where the world could be years from now, is a hallmark of the billionaire mindset. Vision isn't just imagination. It's foresight paired with action. Yet vision alone cannot create extreme wealth. Risk is unavoidable. Billionaires do not fear risk. They embrace it strategically. Elon Musk invested his personal fortune into Tesla and SpaceX, betting on projects many deemed impossible. The first SpaceX rockets exploded spectacularly, yet Musk used each failure as a lesson, learning faster than anyone else. Success for him wasn't guaranteed, but calculated action, persistence, and a refusal to quit turned those failures into milestones. Warren Buffett, in contrast, demonstrates that risk without knowledge is dangerous. Buffett reads hundreds of pages a day, absorbing insights that allow him to make precise investment decisions. For billionaires, knowledge, experience, and risk work together like gears in a finely tuned machine. Starting small but thinking big is a consistent theme in billionaire stories. Oprah Winfrey grew up in poverty, yet she transformed her unique voice, empathy, and vision into a media empire that influences millions worldwide. Airbnb began with nothing more than 2 air mattresses in a living room. Today, it's a platform connecting millions of travelers to millions of hosts around the globe. Billionaires ask themselves constantly, how can this idea grow beyond its current form? Action, iteration, and scalability are more important than perfect timing. Every day is an opportunity to start, adjust, and expand. Strategic investment is a cornerstone of wealth creation. Billionaires understand that money grows exponentially when put to work wisely. Even small investments, consistently applied, compound over time. They diversify intelligently but focus deeply on areas they understand. Elon Musk focuses on technology and energy, fields he knows intimately. Warren Buffett invests in businesses he comprehends, avoiding trends without fundamentals. Failures are merely lessons. Every misstep is an opportunity to refine, learn, and emerge stronger. Financial literacy is not a choice. It is a necessity, the very tool that transforms ideas into empires. Networks and relationships amplify their potential. Bill Gates surrounded himself with brilliant engineers who could execute his vision. Richard Branson's ventures thrived because of the connections he nurtured. People who opened doors, provided insight, and created opportunities. Billionaires give first. They understand that value-based relationships grow faster and last longer than transactional ones. Mentors, advisors, and collaborators act as extensions of their own abilities, enabling them to reach heights unattainable alone. Your network can be as valuable as capital, and nurturing it is an ongoing investment. Innovation drives wealth. Billionaires don't just follow trends, they create them. Tesla didn't simply build electric cars. It transformed the automotive and energy industries. Steve Jobs didn't just make smartphones. He created cultural phenomena that reshaped how the world communicates and interacts with technology. Technology multiplies impact, allowing visionaries to scale faster and farther than ever before. The key is identifying inefficiencies and unmet needs, then providing solutions that are simple, powerful, and scalable. Billionaire ideas often start small but explode into global influence when executed with precision. Discipline and consistency are the invisible engines behind billionaire success. Time is their most valuable asset, and they guard it fiercely. They focus on high-impact tasks, delegate the rest, and eliminate distractions that waste precious energy. Wealth accumulation is rarely about short bursts of effort. It's about sustained, disciplined action over years and decades. Jeff Bezos' focus on customer satisfaction and innovation, maintained consistently over decades, created an empire that transformed global commerce. Patience allows strategies to mature, investments to grow, and opportunities to materialize. Every action compounds over time, producing results that seem almost magical, but are the product of relentless focus and calculated decision-making. Giving back is an essential part of billionaire life. True wealth is measured not just in money, but in influence, impact, and legacy. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett exemplify how philanthropy can enhance purpose, credibility, and long-term influence. Impactful giving creates ripples that extend far beyond personal gain, strengthening networks, inspiring others, and shaping industries. Legacy isn't about possessions. It's about creating a meaningful mark on the world, a story that continues beyond one lifetime. The daily habits of billionaires are deceptively simple, yet profoundly effective. They rise early, focus relentlessly, learn continuously, and make decisions methodically. They prioritize high-value actions over trivial tasks, embrace failures as lessons, and constantly refine their vision. Their mindset is unshakable. Obstacles are temporary, learning is constant, and opportunity is infinite. Discipline, creativity, and persistence intersect to produce results that ordinary thinking cannot achieve. Becoming a billionaire is never easy, but the path is illuminated by choices, principles, and mindset that anyone can adopt. Develop the ability to think decades ahead. Take calculated risks. Start small but dream big. Invest wisely. Build and nurture powerful networks. Innovate relentlessly. Work with discipline. Give back meaningfully. These choices, compounded over time, produce extraordinary results. Wealth is not just money, it is freedom, influence, and the power to shape the world. Your journey begins today with a single action, a single decision to step forward. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building secrets. Take your first step toward financial freedom today. Learn, act boldly, and dream bigger than ever before. The next billionaire story could very well be yours, waiting to be written by your vision, courage, and relentless determination. Start today because the best time to build your future is now.